Hello, team. Good night. Today we are going to talk about the role of big data in supply chain management, harnessing data for efficiency and resilience. Introduction. In today's fast-paced global market, supply chain management is more complex than ever. To navigate these challenges, businesses are turning to big data for insights that can improve operations, reduce costs, and enhance customer satisfaction. Big data in supply chain management involves collecting, processing, and analyzing vast amounts of information to make data-driven decisions. What is big data? Big data refers to extremely large datasets that traditional data processing tools cannot handle efficiently. It is characterized by the three V's: volume, velocity, and variety. In the supply chain, this could include data from sensors, logistic systems, and customer feedback. Challenges in supply chain management. Supply chain face numerous challenges, including lack of visibility, inefficient planning, delayed responses, and high cost. Big data provides tools to overcome these challenges by offering real-time, actionable insights. Applications of big data in supply chain. Big data transforms supply chain management by enabling demand forecasting, optimizing inventory, enhancing route planning, monitoring supplier performance, and improving risk management. Big data tools and technologies. Key tools include IoT for real-time, blockchain for transparency, AI for predictive analytics, cloud computing for data processing, and visualization software like Tableau and Power BI. Case study: Amazon. Amazon uses big data for demand forecasting, route optimization, customer behavior analysis, and warehousing automation, setting a benchmark for efficiency and customer satisfaction. Benefits of big data supply chain. Big data enhances visibility, reduces cost, improves customer satisfaction, manages risk proactively, and supports scalability for future growth. Challenges in implementing big data. Challenges include data quality integration, skill gaps, data security, and the cost of technology implementation. Future trends in big data and supply chain. Emerging trends include AI-powered insights, digital twins, autonomous logistics, sustainability analytics, and hyper-personalization shaping smarter supply chains. Conclusion: Big data is a transformative force in supply chain management. By leveraging it effectively, businesses can improve efficiency, enhance resilience, and gain a competitive advantage. Thank you for watching.